Hey Tubes, check us out. Remote control airplanes. I don't know if you can tell the size of that thing, but it's got to have a 5-foot wingspan in that one there. Look at the size of that monster. Old J3 Cub. What do you think that is, Mike? About 10 foot wingspan.
Gotta be at least.
Yeah.
Little 4-cylinder engine.
Yeah, that's crazy. Look at the engine. Look at that, an exact replica. Look at his people in there. Look how happy they are. And this here's a Pitts Special, I think they call that. That one's not quite as big. And then we got another J3. No, not about J3. It's got a little bit of a different engine on there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty big. That's got about a 6-foot wingspan on it, 7 foot. Pretty cool.